not be just say big name celebrities they enter studio. The ones where we say we be fans too. Some of them they listen to us who not be our fans. We serve the fan people. You know? I remember when I watch one Al Kelly. I don't know what I tell you before Al Kelly interview. They ask Al Kelly. Al Kelly say, "Who celebrity don't mix? We don't meet. We make a trip." But he said the first time we meet Michael Jordan, when Jordan shaking hand like me, they shake Jordan. Now he go. He said now Al Kelly
the fans.
The arrow in R&B. He let's make grand open swallow when he meets Michael Jordan. Because celebrities too get celebrities. You understand? Where they trip for. You understand? And now one of them enter the studio right now.
The studio. And fun fact, in school for University of Jos, then born me for Jos. I grew up in Jos. I went to school for University of Jos. So we get more connection.
You understand? And of course, we don't be fan of him for a very long time, for so many years. It not be just for Nigeria here. One of the biggest actors in the continent of Africa. Trust me. And he deliver the act. Of course, the original bad, now get that role, original bad boy of Nigerian movie. Nobody they act that role pass and say, boy, we wicked, they hash. If they hash for the girl see they love her. If they hash, if they love her, you go break her, she go come beg. You understand? If not the one we want to say, person we don't ask where in Papa get money where, or he get money, or he break girl heart. Now him be the original bad boy of Nigerian movie.
I don't see him act broke guy.
But not too many.
You know, end well.
Ladies and gentlemen, when they listen to Naija FM 102.7 like this, we talk about the one and only Nigeria and Africa's finest. You understand? Somebody where they're very, very proud of, we like, and of course, we be big fan of Jim Iyke. They're inside the studio. Welcome, Jim. Mama will give him our automatic clap.
Automated clap.
Yeah. Jim Iyke inside the studio. Welcome, Jim Iyke.
Thank you, my brother, for having me.
Welcome, bro.
You know, say why they see Jim Iyke for film. One thing with this standard. The DJ of us know. No Nigerian musician, comedian, actor dress reach Jim Iyke.
The guy did.
No, all of us know.
The other day they do video. I think they on top set himself and Adame. Ada says she go collect one of him
in glasses.
In glasses.
Now two she collect last
No.
I love Adame.
But now you the dress pass for this industry.
Yes,
forget. Not be argument. You know when they say who they dress pass Jim Iyke and the others. That's how it be. Now the truth be that. So things when we know that your bad boyness for movie and you're coming out. So at one point we feel say maybe props, set. That's what they did. But nobody just say they dress well for film. Now in lifestyle. That's how it be. So welcome to Naija FM. Okay, but we not a big fish. Then they just walk out enter studio just like that. Something carry you come. So we'll go talk about it carry you come. But first, where you did is because the last time when we see you. Now for inside Merry Men, Yoruba Demons 1 and 2.
Yeah. But before Merry Men, you get the setup.
Yes, setup.
The setup.
Setup the Merry Men both parts, and then since they come like say come quiet for a while. So tell us where Jim Iyke this since.
You know, say I don't spend almost 10 and a half years of my life for this establishment. I don't give up my blood, tears, and heart as well. No, my first love, no, my first child, even my first marriage, even if you want to put them that way, So it came to a point that I kind of asked myself, saying, "Is this it? I don't want to make people know me for just being an actor, producer. Somebody in the art. It's not a beautiful thing, but I felt it has taken enough of my time. Make I do other things I'm good at. I go school, I do other things, and I didn't want. You know how it is where you they ask if. So, and another thing where they happen for my life at that time, say, I established many businesses, and every time I go put them for the hands of people who I feel say they far less passionate than I was, they go run them down because of lack of supervision, because I wasn't hands on. So we took a different approach. My whole family and I sat down and said, reverse this thing. Go back to being a family man. Go back to being a businessman. You've given enough to this thing. Give some few years into developing your financial future, into developing your financial independence, also into developing yourself as a businessman. Because business has always been a large part of my life. I'm Igbo man now, you don't forget. So I decided it was that time. And another thing that fueled that passion was that I also knew that I don't come to that point where I go give you this adage so you go understand how it be. Every time we go festival, everybody go wait for a jelly. If you be Igbo man, you go understand the big masquerade. And so many pretty masquerades, they come, they dance, they go.
When that big one, everybody wait for.
If you wait 2 years, 10 years sometimes, it no go come. But the day we come, go come. And it only comes once they bloom. And when he comes, he go come to talk waiting specifically one talk go back. I've earned the right to come and go as I please. You understand? Because it's part of me. It's part of my life. My following is organic, and my love for this thing cannot be questioned. So I felt the only time I should come should be when I have something to say.
I thought you'd be big fish, so you did. I mean, the way they see Will for sure.
They know they see this other.
The way they see Will for sure. You understand?
They see Will for sure. They know they see Toad for afternoon.
Especially the blue whale. You know, say that blue whale, and they say the tongue. The side, the weight of the tongue, now like the weight of an elephant.
It's true.
Sure.
So it go deep sea, go see. So when you come around, you notice something they happen. So that the blue whale.
For inside the movie industry. But you get one question where I would like to ask you. Now you study banking and finance. You get and philosophy as well. If my waiting eyes they see for my before, you get BSc for philosophy. So how you take enter inside acting?
And now waiting, nobody really plan. You understand? And sometimes God will direct you towards something. Your own plan they different too. Your parents' plan they different. That degree where they see in a parent plan. You understand? You don't forget African parent ideology.
Yeah.
They go plan your life from the immediate as they come out from that womb. If they die alive till you die, that's so they go plan and reach your grave too. You know, so everybody was like, do this, do your master, get your PhD, enter the workforce. This is what we expect in 5 years. Everything, most of the life where we live that time as 70s babies, as 80s babies, now our parents plan. Seriously.
Exactly.
So I think now these new people, these millennials, wake up to it one day and decided, I think it's more of my will and my plan than yours. Because the circumstances and space where we find ourselves different from their own. They always planned it from their own ideology, from their own principle, from how they understand that life. But they don't forget, say, at every turn, generation change, approach to life change. The things that work for this generation go work for the next generation. You remember that time where we did, our horse is different.
Yes,
this time you can carry a device, sit in your house.
Yes.
In 2 years, you're famous and you have $1 million in your account. It was inconceivable 10 years, 20 years ago.
In fact, in those days, anybody who is get laptop, you can wonder
who
be in papa.
Now you go, now useless person.
This
guy,
person
I don't chop enough beating.
Because they're the one that say,
laptop.
Where you get the laptop
inside room,
from?
I don't want to interact with anybody. They go, my cousin go just enter, begin talk anyhow, fight going stew, they go rush me. All on this matter of trying to develop my brain. So now so it be that time. They planned it themselves. And luckily for me, I finished my first degree when I did really young. I was about 19, 20 when I finished. So it was easy for me to say, I don't do I'm rich.
What I want. Now make I follow my own. Yeah.
You know? So when I entered this, and by mistake, I just went for one audition because we they look for money, go drink beer that night with my friends. We just come up from NYC. So when I do them, I say, okay, this is what I want. Nobody go take. Jay-Z said it that you only show once. That thing, when it hits you, now when you ignore them, you don't lose your path for life.
Yeah.
Trust me, some people are doing well in life now, but they don't get the same contentment, they don't get the same passion.
Yes.
They don't feel fulfilled as they should for the endeavor. Maybe financially they reach their target, but they don't reach their target as regards self-gratification.
Yes.
As I felt when I was living that first set, I knew that I would not deny myself this destiny. This was me. And I knew that I had a big part to fight with my parents. They no go agree. But that's the story of my life. They kicked me out of the house that time because they feel, okay, this one never suffered yet. When you fall out, that kind of 2 weeks, you go fall back again. But it took 2 years.
2 years?
Yes. I didn't step home for 2 years because I did not want anybody to say, you failed, so continue on our path. Yeah. Now, when I came back 2 years later, I was already a star.
Oh, wow. So, wait, in these 2 years, they don't find you?
They find me tired now. I'll be only son, my dear. How they not go find me? But the finding come with conditions. Okay? The only person that maintained from day one are my mom. See, women intuition. She talks, say, this one we train and well. This one was a first-class student. He has never rebelled.
So she believes.
Yeah, she believes that this pathway they follow. Something they gonna leave them now.
For them to they go this path.
They don't get like 3 family meeting on my head. Talk say how can an excellent student? My brother was top class. How can an excellent student just deviate, begin. You know that time they look these entertainers like
Yeah.
loafing.
Yes.
They just won't go through in life away. Another group for that meeting talk say, hey, he first graduate amongst everybody at that age. Give him 2 years, he go mess up well. Then he go come back. You know, he go still day young. At 22, he go still go for masters now. Before 30, don't finish PhD. Now the plan where they put for me. But you know, when they begin, they see the movie, they talk, where did he come from? Our family no get that kind of background. You know, my family are mostly traders, businessmen, scientists, erudites. I get a lot of professors, but nobody there in the arts. So that's why they don't believe say anything like that.
Yeah. They go even the one that say, when you forget that kind of gene, because you know, he did brilliant for school. Business day here, everything. Who should be art?
Music.
You understand? Okay.
Acting.
Thank God. Say that if other than pursue you, they can't leave you. You can't come back. They can't. I mean, see what people like when I don't turn the industry to now. You understand? People they look up to you and I say, man, I won't be like G Mike. I won't be like this and all that. We go talk about your current project, but mostly ask some more how you they handle stardom, not money, because someone like you. Someone like me now, have you just enter one place, go chop amala, or enter one supermarket, they not go know. Except maybe sometimes when they talk, somebody go say, "Excuse me, are you the Godwin of Naija FM?" I say, "Hey, I hear that voice." But like, if I talk, but physically, they need to see us for radio. Or somebody like you, you know, if you enter supermarket, maybe everybody knows stand still. Also, how you they handle them, especially when you want to enter somewhere where you know say you need to enter, but maybe people too plenty there. How you they handle them?
Okay, let me define being a legend, what it entails. There's the white space. The white space now where you day hot. Everybody want a part of you. They do shows. They do film back to back. If you shoot 20 films, they make money back to back. Now white space. Nobody they occupy that white space for too long. You understand? That hot white space now where the hottest thing of the moment, the man of the moment, they day. I don't day there briefly. I wanted out quickly. Because nobody will laugh. Everybody, you know when they call person one hit wonder, you just come that place you occupy you all. If you know project yourself for longevity, project yourself for what will happen after that experience, bro, you don't lose. You're out. They go forget you, like bad code. You go just come go. Then there's another space. The next few things after that hot space matters. What you do that will sustain you as a bona fide star. You know, when you release your first album, your first 2 film hot, they go to watch, okay, make you see if you feel sustainable for the next 2-3 projects. You survive that phase. The third phase, now about you establishing yourself as a bona fide art. That's when your voice matters. That's when you pivot conversations. That's when they know that your presence goes sway anybody. The third one is when you've reached that legendary status. Most people they see me as part of their family. I never meet you before, but you see as we enter,
we take it like you like say we don't be
we don't know. I never meet Babe before, but you know, people they greet me for street now like a family member.
Yeah,
you understand? You know, and remember that time where there will be a crowd. I was so angry, so mad at the invasion of privacy, the thing, the print media, what they were writing about me, and all these things. But you see, now it's different. Now there's a respectable space now.
I understand what
there's a comfort with
because I put myself in the place of a fan, and I know how I feel when you enter here. You know, would they say and like
friend we need to see all the time.
You know, like this one we don't know.
I grew up
with people. There so you go. Would they appreciate say all these years is still in our own?
There you go.
Yeah. So but with the same respect of. I see they idolize this person, but on our own.
Yes.
So go feel okay.
There's a comfort about it. Now, you understand? Yes. I grew up with most of these people.
And joy.
I have fans, my brother. Since I entered this when I did 20 or 21. I have fans that have been with me from 22. Where they are 40, 39, 38 now. There's no how, you won't develop a certain comfort.
Exactly.
I was speaking to a lady yesterday, and day before we got to the hangar. Day before yesterday, I did a PJ flight to somewhere. There's people I met for business and would say to fly back to Lagos. There's a woman that came with her entourage. She asked to see me. You know, artisan are one of those, but she told me, listen, she can't show me text. Facebook text this thing
messages.
Then she can't show me my number, my brother. That I did 25.
Number those days.
I did 25 when she showed me that number. 25, 26 thereabout. She showed me that number. My brother do the calculation. She just knows she's somebody we keep data. They tell me, say, listen, I've been a fan for this long. You know, when she was talking to me, it wasn't out of excitement. It's just about somebody I've known for so long I've not met yet. There was a certain comfort about it.
Yeah.
You know, she can't call her son, call her husband. We had a good conversation. We're about to do business. It's at that level. There's a trust, there's an understanding, there's also longevity. So that's the difference.
So you be plenty things. I mean, you be a brand ambassador, you be businessman, you be actor, you be producer. How you dey manage your time?
I have a great team. The same people. I must be doing something right with my team because the truth of the matter be say I have the same driver for 8 years.
Wow.
I've had
Wow.
the same my PA went from my PA to my managers here.
Oh,
That's
wow.
him over there.
Wow.
He's been with me 12 years.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. I have my other PA has been with me for 6 years. I have the same lady that's my secretary has been with me for 9 years. You know, so my team is always been my team. The only thing I ask is that you evolve with the times.
Yeah.
Okay, I send them back for training. I moved back to US for 5 years now, and in that 5 years they stayed in my employ. You know, so it's not even a question of now teamwork. We work for each other.
Yeah.
Not they don't work for me anymore. You know, the way they speak to me, they don't, when I if off, then they they give up to me well. And when they sleep, and they na family member thing.
Yeah.
You understand? So my team is a family. You know, so there's so many I can get involved. This meeting, what I tell you, was them. They called me and said we've lost untold millions, putting things into the hands of people that seem capable, but they don't drive the same passion that we do. Nobody drives your passion like you. You're the creator. So come out. You've given enough to this industry. Come out. Face these businesses. Face it for your kids, for your family. Face it for us that is also depending on you. So I had to take those 6-7 years on, and what we created has been awesome because the same passion, the same work ethic, the same 5 a.m. where we wake up, work till 1 a.m. was what we infuse in every platform where we create. We are in travel. We own travel agencies. I have about 3 right now. It's called Mercury Travels. We own a construction company. We own a logistic company. We just bought a gaming service. It's called Biggie. We're about to launch it. You know, so I know there's no how I could have created a lot of distance
Without the right team.
Yeah.
Currently now, since you leave Yoruba Demons, so but you not really do any movies in that time. So waiting they work on now, waiting they next because I hear say you get movie where they come for front.
There's something where we have our premiere 22nd
Of this
that's
August.
this Sunday.
This Sunday they
we have
come,
our
so.
premiere at
Okay.
the IMAX studios.
Okay.
The IMAX theaters. I'm inviting everybody.
Okay.
Just come and experience something new. So 27th, the movie is going to be released to cinemas near you officially this
Okay.
month.
Okay, so on the 27th, now the movie go come out officially for cinema.
For
But the premiere,
22nd,
that's the 22nd.
2/2, Sunday is a premiere,
Then on
which I'm inviting everybody.
Then Friday after that Sunday, which is 27th,
Yes,
officially go there all cinemas.
all cinemas. Okay.
Okay, when you say they invite everybody, how many invites you go drop? The more we give to minus we.
Okay, 2.
Not be
plus
just 2
3.
no, the invite for here go reach 2 OTB and Osam, R&B and Becca. All the presenters.
Okay,
6.
here's what we do.
Yeah.
This is how we do it. For this production house, being a powerhouse, we
Yeah.
usually put, say, Naija
FM,
plus.
okay.
How many?
Naija FM plus.
6.
No, minus the Naija FM people.
Yeah.
No, Mo say 6. You want go? Okay, Mo say 10.
Okay.
To
10
Naija
on my
FM, so
personal
we go be
invite.
10.
Naija FM on my personal guest list.
Yeah, 10.
10. Okay.
Yeah.
Get 10 press.
Whatever.
Tags.
Yes, for
Okay, so we'll do
Naija
that.
FM. Yes.
Now,
So come
for people where you want to invite on air,
on air, yes.
let's do
4. Okay,
4,
fine.
okay.
So we'll go do 4. We'll go do 4 on air. As they don't begin call. We never even give numbers. But before we need to ask the person in question concerning G Mike.
Waiting be in full name. Waiting be in real name. In full name.
Okay, yes, that's a good one.
Okay,
is my
now
full
one
name?
one question. Please, what's that question? No, come on the light where I talk. What be the question? To which part of my ear? Okay. So, your full name, number 1. Number 2, where G Mike grow up?
Okay, yeah,
Number-
that's a good one.
number
a lot
3
of people don't know that one.
number
What's
3
your name, man? It's a good one. Man.
Number 3, before you,
Where I was born and where I grew up.
when number 2, number 3, before the Yoruba Demon, the movie when you do before Yoruba Demons.
Yes, movie before me, Yoruba Demon.
That's 3. And then which date this current one go enter cinema officially? You understand?
Yes, that's
Which
a good
date?
one, yeah.
Okay, so anybody now 4 people just Well, no cut to say one win for you and your girl. No, one. Just one
ticket.
person. Okay.
Because we don't have enough seats.
Exactly.
We have 300 and
Yeah.
filled already.
So 0700 100102. Hello. Good afternoon. You don't cut. Not me cut on our network. 0700 100102. Good afternoon.
Yeah,
Hey.
good afternoon, Mr. Godwin. I greet you all.
What's it be your name? Where they call from?
My name is Louis. I'm calling from Lekki.
Okay, Louis from.
I'm a first-time caller.
Oh, okay.
wow.
See the clap. See the signing vote they carry you. Now this one they escort Vice President Osibajo anywhere when they go. You dey see him.
Thank you.
People come they clap for you. Say Sir Louis don't blow. Sir Louis don't blow. Sir Louis don't blow. Sir Louis, you want win? You want win invite? You want win invite?
Yes, I really want to win it.
Okay, so where did Mike grow up?
Gabon.
Hey, that guy. Okay, that is my
Clap
life.
for you, Sir
Okay, you know
Louis.
what? For getting it right, you and your lady, two of you.
Okay, Sir Louis, you and your lady. Two
only
for
let's
you.
make one exception.
Okay,
First one.
Sir Louis.
Okay, sir.
Two. That's
Thank you. I appreciate it.
all right,
Okay,
Sir
man.
Louis. Thanks for calling. Okay, Mo will take 3 more calls before we talk about the movie itself. Where they come for, where they premiere this Sunday and they drop next week Friday. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
What will be your name? Where they call from? If you don't reduce your,
Calling from-
sorry, auntie, you need to reduce your radio first, otherwise it's in the interfere. You understand?
Hello.
What will be your name? Where they call from?
I'm calling from Zach.
From where? Hello? Your line no good. Your line no good. Now network 0700 100102 or 0818212073. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Godwin.
Yeah, what will be your name? Where they come? You there inside bathroom? Your line they echo like say you there bathroom now.
Bros, they hide.
Say that your phone is there they call, sha. So we go say that bathroom. What will be your
My
name?
name is Don Brown from Novalende.
Tom Brown from Balinde. Tom Brown, you want win ticket? You want win invite?
Yeah.
Let's just answer the next question.
Okay, wait. The next question. Now, waiting be Mike full name.
Tom Brown, don't take off. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, what will be your name? Where they call from?
Erica from Amuro.
Erica from Amuro. See your voice, Erica. Erica, one win invite.
Hello, Erica.
Erica.
Why never gets to this point?
Erica, your village people don't reach where you are. No, Erica. Your village people in the form of network. Hello, good afternoon. It go difficult to enter because people they rush. So once see, before I even pick the record, I beg, just when I calm down, call small. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Godwin, good afternoon.
Good
Mrs.
afternoon.
Sumadu.
Son of Mrs. Sumadu now.
Oh, you guys know the voices.
I know this one. This one are regular.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Sumadu.
Lady J.
Bye, Mrs. Simadu. How far?
Are they fine?
Yeah.
Okay, Mrs.
I
Sumadu.
can hail you.
Hello, Mama. They know you well, oh. You famous here.
Let me get that station.
Okay. If you tell me say I'm investor now.
Mrs. Sumadu, you want to invite?
Yes.
The DJ ask her a question.
Okay, I go ask you the question last.
I beg on the name I want. I
Now, which one you know?
That name, say
know.
that name.
Nah.
Oh yeah, tell us the
Tell
name.
us the name. Tell us the name.
I know that one. Now, Iyke Chukwuje say so much.
You got it right. You got it right.
Mrs. Sumadu, you name her like say you there for your naming ceremony.
Wow.
Okay, so we go give you one ticket and Mrs. Sumadu. We will give you one now. You dey okay, Abi?
What she got is
Mrs. Sumadu, you don't get an the most important thing with that.
Hello. So she will
just
come collect your ticket.
your invite.
Your
Right
invite, yeah.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yo, wow. Yo, I don't want 1 people.
Why? Because they try to enter since the line busy, man. Everybody they call now. What will be your name?
My family member.
Okay, 6 you want win invite.
Why not? I want to make me no punch in my show now.
Okay, they just ask another question.
Okay.
I don't go get this.
Waiting in study for university.
What is study, filmmaking, and director?
if I just go,
August 20.
not be the movie we dey ask you, just.
Get the movie at least now. Help my guy.
Okay, sisters, he say because you get the date of the movie,
Yeah.
we'll give you one, eh? But not be Muslim making and director.
No be music making and directing and studying. My brother, I beg you.
Sisters,
Don't go
okay.
change my profile.
Thank you, now. Thank you.
God bless you, my
Okay.
brother. See you at the premiere.
I want to question. Since now, you don't know why I see some of your latest things. Now, for all this our DSTV or whatever, they show your old movies, but try to open your new movies so that we can patronize you now.
Yes, my dear. I appreciate your patronage. Eh? This one now you go patronize tired.
They don't know that you are trying to do something.
So this one where they come now, no worry.
No
you
problem.
just-
You go like this one. Come. And please find me on the red carpet that day. I want to meet
They
you.
follow you every year now. Even though I don't comment, but I like all your pictures for Instagram and all your
Ah, you reach that level, my brother. Thank you. Make we go see for red carpet when you come. I better come introduce yourself, yeah?
All right, sisters. Okay, the final person, and remain one more person. 0700 1010. Who you go be? I hope say you go be woman, cha.
Yeah.
You go be lady. I want make lady win
Two,
two.
two.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations to you. Eh? Okay, one person need to talk. Una reach like 3 for there now. All of them now. Who want talk?
Okay, how do you meet him now? My co-workers.
Yeah, and your co-workers, eh? What be your name? Chidima, you get co-workers there, be where they put here for your phone.
Yes.
Chidima, okay, so you want win one of the invites, Abi?
Yes.
Lady J, which question remain?
Which
The
question?
movie when act last before Yoruba Demo.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Wait till be the movie act before
will
you.
change your-
Which one?
Before your bad
Yes.
Okay, oh, got it. Thanks. That's
I don't know, but I know what he does.
You know,
You don't get them. No go mess up.
don't worry, you don't already mention that. Leave her like
You
that.
don't get them.
Okay, so more right Chidima. Chidima, you will get one invite, eh?
Right Shelly.
Actually, I waiting.
Shelly.
Shelly.
Yeah.
Oga Godwin.
Eh?
I'm not getting time. We just call to wait tonight. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Since you don't, the black na the most senior person talk, then our voice thick pass. She don't talk on her behalf, so that can't not hear Jimak voice. Okay, now not go win. Let's just pick one from WhatsApp.
Okay.
Pick somebody from WhatsApp. Before they go say we ignore them for that. The first person for WhatsApp to tell us the movie Jimak act before Yoruba Demons.
Everybody.
Okay, let's ask something in the movie.
In this
Can
movie,
they ask the lead actress of this film?
Okay, the lead actress for this new
because
one
of
now.
me.
Okay, who be the lead actress for this?
Osas.
Osas. You don't call the name.
So
So if you call the name, add the surname, the full name.
Yeah, okay, the
So
full
anybody will name the full name of the lead actress for this film.
Now,
Okay.
add the surname. The person will don't answer. Make him add surname.
Add the surname, put them,
Add
we'll
the
give it to you.
surname,
And that person just own your phone, they wait. That's it, just type your Osas, sharp, send now.
Okay. Somebody don't get up. Osas
That's
Igbohalo.
You got that? Okay, well, okay. So what will be the person name?
Neka from Surulere.
Okay, Uneka from WhatsApp.
Yes.
Uneka, now all of them we don't win this ticket. Mrs. Sumadu 6 stars, Sir Louis. Only Sir Louis now get 2 for him and his wife. Then Mrs. Sumadu 1, 6 stars 1. Then Uneka 1. Come Nigeria FM office 26, Kefi Street off Awolowo Road, Ikoyi. Ma call again for solo motion. 26, Kefi Street off Awolowo Road, Ikoyi. Come collect them between now and weekend. We'll go arrange that will take your time. We'll go see announced later. Shall just listen. And thank you very much, Jimmy, for giving them. More we'll talk about this movie now.
Yeah.
What will be the title and what will inspire them?
The movie is called Bad Comments. We all know that what I wanted to do was I didn't want to create a Nollywood, Bollywood, or Hollywood film. I want to create a universally viable film where everybody, black, white, brown, can go and watch it, irrespective of where you come from, your political affiliation, your status in life, your race. To create a film like that is very difficult because we are all so different in in our backgrounds. Our ideologies are so different. you have to create a film that everybody will find a part of them in. So the common denominator that that I had to create it with, what inspired it had to be the internet space, the social media space.
Okay.
That space, that's the internet space, has also been responsible for untold death, hardship, pain, and depression. It's just not been addressed enough. So this is the kind of film that will create. There's an advocacy behind this film. Yes, we told it like a satire where there's a laugh in it, there's action in it, there's romance in it. It's a complete perfect film, but also there's a message behind it. That what is really going on right now. The creators of this platform, I mean, Google and CEO came out the other day and say that the internet has turned to a place for, excuse my French, idiots and never do well. People that just feel because of their shortcomings in life or for aspirations they couldn't meet, they have to hit people that met those aspirations. So this is what it has become. I'm creating it, and I'll put a searchlight on every actor in that space. First of all, being the celebrity, who is the anti-hero, is the person that is considered to have had maybe an easy way in life. But do you know what goes on behind the scene? And us as celebrities, are we doing enough? Is it just self-glorification? Are we just putting our lifestyle, our ostentatious lifestyle in front of these people? Are there ways we can tell somebody I'm successful without offending? Without coming to do a little too much,
without making the person look like saying
Yeah,
you want
you need
effort
to
when
work
they make no
enough.
make sense. Yeah.
And you understand? And if they the same space or the same opportunity, it may force him to go and do something he's not supposed to do.
Yeah.
And the other part of the divide, once you look into person life, continue on your lane. Your lane is the beautiful lane. If that person where you idolize, you want to be like tell you what he they go through or what he did to become that person, you feel no one do one. You go bless God for the one we give you. So we're preaching contentment, we're preaching respect, we're preaching when you go there, understand that it's a universal platform where you must respect other people's values and perspective as well. We're saying that there are ways you can misunderstand, disagree with somebody without trying to, project hate and cruelty. And then the other side too, from our own side, we the responsible that have been given the responsibility. Should we do less and do more of blessing people, of uplifting people, instead of flashing the homes, the jewelry, the lifestyle?
Yeah.
There's so many other ways you can encourage somebody to say, you know what, my brother, my lane be this, it will work for me. But try the substance and my ideology, it will work for you. Without you telling me that I'm not doing enough, I'm not successful enough, I'm beneath you, and all that. And that's the thing, the message that we're
So the movie capture all these things.
it's an entire
Address-
essence of life.
Wow.
So who are the people who did the movie apart from you? Of course, you don't talk about Osasi
Yes,
Godaro.
yeah.
Who
I
else
think the
did that?
question, who know they the movie said?
We like to say everybody did the
No,
movie.
I go all out. If I've seen that earlier, for catch you, I put there. So, the thing is, I did Mama G, I did Chiwatalago, I did Daddy Freeze, I did Young John, the wicked producer, I did Sharon Oja, I did AY, I did Rugged Man, I did Desmond Elliott, I did I brought in who I know bringing.
You need to say who no did there.
Right.
And I know who no did there. That mean.
Two of us know they did.
There are about 17 major stars on it.
Wow.
Next one. Somebody sent you message, Jim Iyke. He say, make we help you tell him, say the guy will help you escape from UNN show. Where Twins production organized years back. When bad boys want attack you, they hate you. They hate you. Simon Chinedu crested.
Make you take a call for what you know do. Bro, sit down. We had 8 Mopo people that day, but na me overdo them. I go. That's the thing where we they preach. The way you go over we go UNN for sure. And so we couldn't stay because the madness starts. So I climbed on top car. Go they hail people when the security people were trying to get me in the car. So the guy where they drive the car thinks I don't enter car well. Come move. My brother, so they dump me there. So the mob come. All the martial act I learned that day, I tried that day, don't work. like almost 500 people were me, so I couldn't breathe. So they had to call in for reinforcement. But they were cool. Nobody wanted to harm me. It was just love and all that.
Yeah.
I lose my belt. I don't know. Of all things, I lose my belt that day. But it was mostly love. Everybody just wanted to. Later we had a good time.
So which part of shooting this movie? We wanna shoot the movie.
We shoot them mostly for Abuja. We shoot them for Lagos. We shot a short one in Miami, but I cancelled it. You know why? Because that part in was just to validate nonsense. It was just to show it's an international part. And I didn't need that kind of validation. And we shot a perfect film. It took us 2 months to shoot this film. We crossed our budget. I crossed my budget 5 times, and that's why I wanted to fund it. I wanted to finance it so that nobody could come. They tell me, anytime the creative juices flew. And I did this movie with Moses Inwang. Moses Inwang is easily the best director in our part of the divide now. He's as crazy as I am. We fight like old couples, but then when we agree on anything, my brother, it's all sparks.
Which part of the movie say be the most challenging part for you?
The most challenging part was the part that we had to create. It's a very, if you be tech guy, if you be sci-fi guy, my brother, I brought in one bad team from South Africa that now Naija guy, they heard the South African one, but they came in with our guys here. My brother, waiting they create there. Please, you ask me which part of our brother go do this thing. The special effects.
Wow.
Okay, so that was challenging, but the main challenging thing was that I woke up. There's something we wrote into the movie that was a fire service part. I woke up one day, and I had 3 producers on this set. So one of them brought me the list of what it would take to bring actual fire service people. My brother, it wasn't possible. We needed to shoot it the next day. We perfected the act of guerrilla shooting for this. If now maybe Yankee they for planned 3 weeks before, but it was in there. We thought it was a walk-in. Ask for it, they go give us. We go just pay money. Come out, my brother. When they give us the process, so we cancelled it. But being the kind of person I am, I need to think failure. I need to think no. I don't take no well. 4 a.m. in the morning the next day, when everybody don't give up, I wake up. I drive down there. And when I drive down there, I can't wait for their gate. My insider tell me so they come very early. So about that kind, almost to 7. I waited 3 hours in my car. Nobody know my driver. He came about 7. That is the pursuit of something. When you want a singular will to get things done. Sometimes your will always prevail. Not sometimes, most times.
Yeah.
This man came. Immediately we entered the office. You know what that man said? He said, "How long have you been here?" I said, 2 hours, sir. He said, "You waited for me 2 hours. Somebody like you. For what?" I said, "There's something I need." He said, "You sat in your car and waited for 2 hours since almost 5 a.m. I said, "Yes, sir." He said, "Whatever it is, yes."
Even me wait there, the shock.
He said, "Whatever it is done." Before anything. So I said, "Okay, this is what I want." He said, "Go pieces upon," and I'll tell you, you're in luck. They just brought one for servicing. If you want to use it tonight, use it, because the other ones are taking a longer time. Use it, and then I'll have my men follow up and make sure that everything.
Wow.
So the people in that, they were not actors, they were
real fire service.
The drill was real. They were rehearsed for it, and they executed it exactly as we planned.
Wow.
Wow.
Well, so the premiere they happened this Sunday, 22nd, for the Super IMAX today for Lekki. And of course, like some people don't get invites, we were there don't get invites. Then official, we go see on first hand. Then on Monday when we come here, we can't give una story. Say we go just tell una 1 or 2 small. Say then give una wait una appetite so that I go rush go. Exactly.
Go watch
No, we can't tell una. We go help una watch on Sunday. Tell una some parts. No be regular premiere. So and then the official premiere, you can enter inside all these cinemas from next. From the 27th, which is the Friday and all that. So, but we'll just ask you 1 or 2 questions before we let you go. Because you need to enter our sister station now. Question I want to ask you: who be the female actress where you don't act with, where you enjoy pass in terms of
my entire career?
Yes.
Funny enough, the person is not. There's a film I made called Color 25. I produced it, I wrote it, I co-directed it. I made that film in Atlanta.
Okay.
But sadly, the people who I make that film with started getting greedy, so we're in court now in contention, trying to, how it is. Americans will wake up when they feel say, because the whole creative process was me and my team. So I think somebody told him that eventually when this gets out, it will be only me they will see. He wanted to share certain credit, and I said, "No, guy, work here. I go come there.
Take credit for what you know do.
No, it's not done. Work. You bring money, I bring money. So you can't wake up and share credits for the creatives that you didn't do." So it ended up in court. Somebody has intervened now. We're trying to do a proper out of court settlement. But there's an actress. I wanted to use somebody new on that film. She's Gambian American extract that I made a movie. I've not seen that kind of gift in a long time. I'm not saying it surpasses all my people, but when there's raw talent like that, talent that's not been filtered. That's not been molded through the right classics, the schools, the tutorship, and all that, and the person come out at that level, and a new person. I was every time I would sit down and say, "Are you sure you didn't do this in your past life?" I'm going to mention her name when that movie is ready, and hopefully by February next year.
Okay, so now when the movie ready, you go mention the name. You know how much
If
because you don't say
nine,
go enter Google now.
That guy.
Okay, for the male side, which male you don't act to say this person? No, he really bring out something extra. This is like the best male we don't act with. We know say them plenty, but
I won't fairly
pick
say
one.
best male. Make I not involve myself.
Minus you.
Yes, but but I have some of my colleagues that are amazing. I have some of the new acts that I really look at to and look up to that are really good. But and when these kind of questions asked, I like to look at somebody outside my space. My space, I'm comfortable. I'm used to them. I think they're used to me as well. But when you act with somebody outside your space, it gives you a different lean to your understanding of that art form, of what they're bringing to the table. My first Hollywood film was a mid-level film called And Then There Was Love. All the big Black American names were in it. Gassa Bovee, Brian White, all of them. I made a movie with Brian White. My trailer was next to his. We have conversations now and then on the set, it was really different to see a true master at work. Because we talk about this, we run our, we pick each other's brain about our characters. Then when we get on set, he just switches. He's what you call a chameleon. Because what he does on set is totally different from who he is, and that is the truth, yes, man.
Well, okay. Somebody asked you question on WhatsApp. You say why feature people like Ramsey Noah, Genevieve, and Rita Dominic. Say remember when you plant all those kisses where they plant on top Genevieve cheek. So what it could happen?
That guy should leave the go in the smoke. He let it work for him. Or make it change in supply at least. Okay. But you go give road to person with suits now, and there's nothing more beautiful than a blend of all generations. Okay, that's when you're getting it right. I know just my generation were awesome. Okay, but there's also some people coming up. Somebody gave us a chance now. That's why we got here. So I believe true. It's my one of my mandates in life to give people also on their journey chances. Okay,
if you say Nigerian, you go read the story Nigerian movie go win Oscar in the near future.
Yes, sir. Nearer than you think. Okay. We've made films that could easily have gotten into there, but two things went missing from that narrative. They didn't take time to get the right finance. When you have a beautiful story that you're eager to make, and then you're shortchanged by your creativity, by the budget of your creativity, and yet you still embark on that journey. It's wrong. Okay. Before we got on Bad Comment, then the producer and the director asked me a direct question and said, "This movie is very expensive. Might well cross over the 100 million mark. Are you ready? Shouldn't we bring in minimum partners?" I said, "No, I want to do it." And then later in the middle of it, they said, "It's looking like we're going to cross this budget. Are you ready?" I said, "Yes, we crossed our budget 5 times. I don't know what better commitment than that." I've seen people bring me scripts that can easily stand for foreign film on international platforms. And this Oscar way they talk, we for content for them. But as soon as we enter set, I find and say
the budget to do another day.
They all paid me well. They're ready to compromise. They're ready to water it down. They're ready to move forward and get it done. When it comes out, it will look like a good film. But if anybody has seen it from inception, you understand that it would have probably taken $5 million or $4 million to bring this to fruition. But they won't. So that's been the narrative that's shortchanging us in many regards. Because our stories are original. Oyibo need to understand them. We've perfected the act of guerrilla shooting. The way we create films, no day like any place else in the world. You understand? They're trying to learn it. We've shown that content where Oyibo people go ask. I had a meeting before COVID. They saw my budget. I was talking to an international platform. They saw my budget. My lawyer called me and said, "What are you mad? Why are you going in here with this budget? Triple it." I said, "No, but I don't double them already." He said, "Triple them." Because nobody in that room will believe you made a movie this good with this budget.
With that kind of budget.
So that's the idea. We can do it. We're just saying that stop shooting. If you have one of those films and stop trying to shoot for the space and the contention that they already have perfected. If I want to go into the Oscars, I'll go for foreign film. That is a space I can put in a very cultural, very strongly formatted, very strongly created story, and then go vibe.
So in a nutshell, one major factor where they affect the industry, not only just in our budget, money.
I dare say it's budget because there's no shortage of talent. We're some of the most gifted people in the world.
I
I don't
agree.
work on enough international platform to understand that there's nothing to teach. We're the tutors. I've been to New York Film College. There's nothing they were teaching me. I just wanted the papers. Okay, so at the end of the day, I know Naija on a world scale. Listen, my brother, we don't know how to shine here. We survive here. When you want to know how we shine, put us on the international stage. That's when you know that our talent, our gifts, our drive is on power.
That's a very big punchline. We don't know how to shine. We survive. And of course, we talent too plenty. I mean, even the music, see what we they do and all those things. Even
The
comedy,
clear
everything.
picture is even our era. Our people way the school here. You know, see average student here. When you put and go abroad,
no, you
go
don't
turn
to- don't
A
first class student.
You
Yes,
never
man.
begin to wonder why.
Yes,
Because
yeah.
all he has to do is put in half the work he puts in here. Put in half the dedication what would they put in here. Which Oyibo person they meet that one? Those ones where with enough curriculum to keep them distracted. No, we not there on that level.
Wow.
But
Now,
honestly,
we don't almost reach 1 hour inside
did
studio.
tell
But we need to
you.
let Jemai go so that
Yes,
he go enter
so-
our other sister station. But one more time, I'll remind them the movie again, the premiere at this.
The premiere is
Premiere this
22nd on
22nd,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Please, come on. Well, you have to be invited.
then officially go enter cinema 27th.
27th, yes.
Upper
Upper
Friday.
is when it comes to cinemas near you. Guys, let's make this the first. Listen, support your. We don't
Yeah.
tire for the all the.
Yes,
No,
yeah.
no. I go talk this one, my brother. Please forgive me. Support your own.
Support your
It's
own,
time we
yeah.
go and mouse and make. What is the thing? You not say we could make something universally viable. We don't do it. Make this the first 1 billion naira mark movie. That's all we're saying.
Abi,
So that the
We'll
target
go back
at
now.
least
No,
one
$2 million.
At least
at
least
2
one.
million. Don't reach to pay. Make
At
the
least
actor.
1 billion. So now the
Maybe
target
they
now.
manage from 1 billion.
Yeah,
now.
for 1 billion. Yeah.
2 billion no bad, but
At
make we
least-
start the management
At
for 1
least,
billion.
at least 1 billion.
Abio.
Mike, thank you very much
Thank you
for
for
coming.
coming.
I
Thank
mean,
you.
if we want to continue to talk, gist for your mouth. Now you sabi talk. No one that I go read scripts maybe 50 something page, 60 something page. Act finish, interpret everything. We understand why because we sabi talk. Like we did there, I'll talk time our work, but no, this one way you do so. If we want to follow you talk, another 1 hour we'll go again. Nothing so. But we really thank you for coming. Like we thought we'd be fans, and we did happy say you there. Yeah, you don't give us invites, you don't give listeners invite. We don't talk about everything, past, present, and all that. So, what's be one word we want to leave with everybody now, all your fans, listeners, before you come out for studio right now?
What I'm saying is that God is the actor, really author and finisher of all faith, of all endeavors. Hold on. He has made us God in our own right. It's not in any man's hand to make you who you are. It is in your hands. And once you will it, God will bless it. God bless.
Yeah. Okay, so J-Mike, don't tell Una at the end of the day, and just believe in God, and any way you do them to the best of your ability. Thank you for coming, J-Mike. We wish you
Thank
all
you
the
for
best.
coming.
we'll-
And see you on Sunday.
Yeah.
See you on Sunday.
And see you on Sunday. We'll go let that come over. But you say you like it here, then, man.
I love it.
Yeah, another jam from the album Rudy Killers by Rude Boy. And now we'll go take a Scott J-Mike come off for studio right now. Then when we come out, we'll go plenty music break. Later we'll do our I'm a bomb matter from
Have
the
you?
Big Brother
Big
Niger
Brother
house.
Naija,
Trending
yes, sir.
gist from there. We'll give it another one.
I don't
That's
want to
it.
talk about it.
You know what Big Brother now?
I let it watch out. Make they don't kill me for this. I'm too busy to.
Okay, so we'll take it here and then plan for J-Mike, but they come off for studio. You're not going anywhere. Sister with Godwin and Lady J workshop, they continue after this.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.